Today, we're taking a culinary journey to one of Morocco's most magnificent imperial cities, Meknès. While it's famous for its grand gates and ancient walls, what truly makes this city's heartbeat is its incredible street food scene. It's authentic, it's delicious, and it's unbelievably affordable. So grab your appetite because we're about to dive into the 30 must-try street food items you absolutely have to taste in Meknès. Let's start with the traditional dishes, the soul food of Meknès. First up, the regional specialty you cannot miss, Camel Kefta. That's right, ground camel meat, seasoned and grilled to perfection, often served with a perfectly cooked egg on top. It's a unique flavor, slightly gamey but incredibly tender. You'll find the best spots for this around Kubat Souk. Next, we have Makouda, these glorious deep-fried potato cakes. They're crispy on the outside, fluffy on the inside, and usually stuffed into a fresh baguette or cobs with a drizzle of spicy harissa or a creamy sauce. It's the ultimate carb comfort food. No trip to Morocco is complete without Harira. This hearty soup is a national treasure made with tomatoes, lentils, chickpeas, and a fragrant blend of spices. It's warming, nourishing, and you'll find vendors ladling it out from huge pots, especially as the sun begins to set. Another soup you have to try is Bissara. It's a thick, savory soup made from fava beans or split peas, typically drizzled with golden olive oil and a sprinkle of cumin. It's simple, rustic, and deeply satisfying. Now, let's talk about meat on a stick. Brochettes or kotban are skewers of marinated beef, lamb or chicken, grilled over hot charcoal. The smoky aroma alone will draw you in. They're tender, juicy, and packed with flavor. For something with a bit more of a kick, you need to find Merguez. These are spicy lamb or beef sausages, grilled until they're sizzling and then tucked into a piece of bread. The spices are just incredible, feeling adventurous. Let's talk about some unique Meknassi textures. Caliente, also known as karantika, is a savory flan or pie made from chickpea flour. It's served warm by the slice and has a soft, almost custardy texture. It's a local favorite and surprisingly filling. If you love seafood, look for stuffed fried sardines. Fresh sardines are filled with a zesty chermoula marinade mix of herbs, garlic, and spices and then fried until golden and crisp. The combination is simply divine. For a true taste of traditional Moroccan preservation, you have to try a clear omelette. Clear is a type of spiced, preserved meat similar to jerky that's been aged in its own fat. When scrambled with eggs, it creates a salty, savory, and incredibly rich breakfast or snack. And speaking of adventurous, let's talk Babbouche or snail soup. Don't be shy. These snails are cooked in a flavorful broth made with more than 15 different herbs and spices. It's said to be good for you, and sipping the broth on a cool evening is a classic Moroccan experience. If you're looking for something really hearty, seek out Takalia. This is a rich stew made from tripe and beans, slow-cooked until everything is meltingly tender. It's a dish with deep roots in Moroccan cuisine, best enjoyed scooped up with pieces of fresh bread. And that brings us to the bread itself. Babbouche is a small, round, leavened flatbread. It's soft and puffy, like a pita, and perfect for stuffing with grilled meats or just eating on its own. For a quick appetizer, you'll see vendors selling zolok. It's a smoky, delicious dip made from cooked eggplant and tomatoes, seasoned with garlic and spices. It's perfect for scooping up with bread while you decide what to eat next. To wash it all down, you can't go wrong with a just d'avocate or avocado juice. But this isn't your typical health smoothie. It's a thick, creamy blend of avocado, milk, and sugar, often with dates or nuts mixed in. It's more like a milkshake, and it's absolutely addictive. Lastly, in our traditional section, for the truly daring foodie, there's hagma, or cooked cow's trotters. It's a heavy, gelatinous dish that's slow-cooked for hours, and it's a true local delicacy found in the bustling market stalls. Now, let's move on to the world of flatbreads, pastries, and sweets. You'll see these being made fresh on griddles all over the city, especially in the morning. The king of Moroccan flatbreads is Msemen. It's a flaky, square-shaped, pan-fried bread made from laminated dough. You can have it plain or served with honey and soft cheese. It's chewy, crispy, and utterly delicious. A close cousin is Baghrir, the thousand-hole pancake. These spongy, crater-filled pancakes are perfect for soaking up melted butter and honey, or the nutty goodness of amlou. If you have a sweet tooth, you must try sfenj. These are classic Moroccan donuts, light, airy, and chewy rings of fried dough, often dusted with sugar. They're best eaten hot, right from the vendor. Rigif is another laminated flatbread similar to Msemen, but often folded differently, creating a unique texture. For a savory twist, look for Msemen farces, which are stuffed with fillings like spiced onions, minced meat, or vegetables. It's a whole meal in a flaky pastry. You'll also find stalls selling beignets, a general term for various sweet fritters that are perfect for a quick sugar rush. And you can tea-walk through a souk without spotting a pastry shop with a dazzling assortment of Moroccan cookies. They are sold by weight, so you can mix and match different kinds, from almond-filled gazelle horns to chewy garret. On a healthier note, you'll find vendors selling fresh fruit skewers, a simple and refreshing snack on a warm day. And for a quick, protein-packed bite, look for the guys selling boiled eggs, which are served peeled with a little packet of salt and cumin for dipping. It's simple, but so good. And of course, the drink that fuels all of Morocco, the alamente or mint tea. It's sweet, fragrant, and a symbol of hospitality, sold on literally every corner. Finally, let's touch on some modern snacks and key locations. The Moroccan taco, also known as a French taco, has become incredibly popular. It's not a traditional taco at all, but a pressed sandwich wrap like a panini, stuffed with your choice of meat, French fries, and a creamy cheese sauce. It's a glorious, modern street food mashup. Speaking of paninis, you'll find classic grilled and pressed sandwiches everywhere in the Ville Nouvelle, the new city, with all sorts of fillings. A great local term to know is sandwich Kif-Kif. This literally means a mixed sandwich, and it's when you ask the vendor to just throw a bit of everything in there, maybe some meat, an egg, fries, salad, and olives, all stuffed into a baguette. Everyone is different, and they are always an adventure. So, where do you find all this amazing food? For the best grilled meats, especially that Camel Kefta, you have to head to the Kubat souk stalls in the Medina. The atmosphere is electric, and in the evening, the main square place El-Hédime comes alive. Food stalls set up for the night, offering everything from soups and sandwiches to fresh juices and snacks. It's the beating heart of Meknès after dark, and there you have it, a foodie's guide to the incredible streets of Meknès. From ancient recipes to modern snacks, this city has a flavor for everyone. So next time you're in Morocco, make sure Meknès is on your list. Your taste buds will thank you. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this food tour, please give this video a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button for more culinary adventures. Let me know in the comments which one of these you'd want to try first. Until next time, stay hungry and keep exploring.